Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the buzzer, the sound speaker, in the Samsung Galaxy S22 phone. The phone needs to be turned off. Never clean the phone while it is turned on. For this, we need 100% pure isopropyl alcohol. We also need a brush with flexible bristles, either soft or medium hard, because if it's too hard, it will scratch your phone. You can buy both of these items as a set on Allegro or Amazon, meaning a diffuser and such a brush. And if you don't have one, we can try using a regular toothbrush. Just make sure it has soft or medium hard bristles, because if it's hard, it could ruin, maybe scratch your phone. So we start by moistening the brush with alcohol. Take your phone in your hand. Here we have the buzzer openings and we clean them. Each opening 5 times in one direction. Then do the same in the other direction. 5 times for each opening. And then in another different direction, again 5 times for each opening. And then again, do the same in the other direction. After cleaning, set the phone aside for about 15 minutes so that the isopropyl alcohol can evaporate, and only after that time can you turn the phone on and use it normally. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and see you in our next video.